All right, all right. It's the end of the day. We got about a half hour left, but I'm gonna wrap it up. It was boring in the morning, and I even wrapped up my live stream early. But we put out this pennant right here, and we said, "Hey, maybe something will happen in the afternoon," and it happened. Look at that! You had an entry at the break here. You had a flag right there, and then this is all choppy. It looks like we're getting a head and shoulders into the close, probably right about here. If we get a break right here, it'll probably retrace a little bit. Um, it's a pretty good head and shoulders. Momentum's fading off. This is on a 5 minute chart. That looks pretty good. Let's take a quick look at the daily and see what we got for the day. Looks like we're closing on a bit of a hammer. Hammer, hammer. So that's a positive daily bar. Momentum is on the histogram is fading. Momentum is making a lower high. Just need to push up tomorrow. Maybe we could challenge that right there. I was looking for more of a sell off today. I closed a little bit of my swing trade and I still have some left. I was looking for a little bit more, but that's all right. They don't all work out. I did all right on the day trade, on the directional for the day. So I'll take it. You can see here after that big move up, we made that nice retrace, broke that 61% line, and then turned around. So we'll see if it can continue that march up first thing in the morning. And Bitcoin, Bitcoin is just in this consolidation pattern, man. It's chopping back and forth. I don't know if you really see any good trades on the daily. The first move was pretty aggressive to the downside. So I would just wait for it to break that pennant. Just let it do what it's got to do. You can get chopped up in here. So you don't want to day trade in there. Just wait for the break of that pennant. And that'll get the party started for you in Bitcoin. AMC. There it goes. Broke the lower part of the pennant. So now it's got to break the 13 and change horizontal line to see if it'll continue that mosey on down that it looks like it's going to do. And what are we looking at? Uranium. It's looking toppy, man. Look, you got a divergence right there. Just be careful if you long this thing. I would just keep squeezing my stops. I'd have the stop right under here. If I got in on any of this, I'd have to stop right under today's bar. And hey, if it keeps walking up, you just keep following it up with that stop, trying to get as much as that trend as you can. There's wheat. Close the first gap. Yeah, boy. Got a couple of gaps. Close that gap, and then I think I'll be looking at it for a long. Home builders. That's a little private interest right there. There's some energy doing the same thing. It's really getting pulled up by oil. Could be toppy. I'm thinking it's toppy. I would wait for a decent retrace to get back into it. Metals and mining. Looking a little toppy. I'm not chasing it. Might come back to close that gap. And that's it. That's it. So boring day, but the afternoon was sexy. Oh, here it is. We were looking at the 60 minute. There it goes. Or the 5 minutes. So a good, sexy afternoon. Remember, watch your downside, control your risk. That's how you make the money. Oh, there it goes. We're falling apart for the last half hour. Nah, it's not really a fall apart. It's just trading off. We're going to end somewhere right around here. All right. So, hey, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Check me out in the morning for my morning market meeting and get ready. See if we could see some trades. And I stream during the day. Today was a boring day, but tomorrow might be better. So check it out. If I don't see you, have a good weekend.